an award ceremony to honor the defenders of persons with disabilities. The high-level event brought together government officials and influential persons with disabilities, among them university students, reporters and social media activists. In one voice, the disabled called on the government to protect their rights.
There is an international convention that guarantees the protection of the disabled. It's not something new. I call on the government to make sure that our rights are always protected.
Across the country, groups that advocate and promote for the rights of the disabled people have been formed, gaining support each day from the community level. The government has now announced that Somalia will join countries that are signatories to the Convention on the Rights of the Disabled.
The disabled are part of the society, and since we believe in political inclusivity, then it's a must we bring the disabled into the political process, and Somalia will soon join the list of countries that ensures the rights of the disabled is protected.
For years, rights groups have detailed cases of people with disabilities facing greater abuse in the East African nation. But the government wants to change this narrative.
It's not just the health condition that matters. Inclusiveness in all sectors is a must. The disabled need education, health, work, and must at all times feel like other people and not victimized.
But until then, Abdel Fattah Kalgal and the event organizers here have vowed to continue with their campaign to champion for the rights of persons with disability. Abdul Aziz Bilo, CCTV, Mogadishu, Somalia.